The Anycubic Photon Mono 2 is a standout device. In this review, we will explore what makes the Anycubic Photon Mono 2 a top choice for 3D printing enthusiasts. With its advanced features and user-friendly design, this printer is perfect for both beginners and experts. We will examine its print quality, ease of use, and overall performance. Whether you are new to 3D printing or looking to upgrade your current setup, this review will help you understand if the Anycubic Photon Mono 2 is the right fit for your needs. Keep reading to discover all the details about this impressive 3D printer. Introduction to Anycubic Photon Mono 2. The Anycubic Photon Mono 2 is a popular 3D printer. It's known for its precision and ease of use. This review will cover its features and our experience with it. First impressions. The Photon Mono 2 has a sleek design. Its build is sturdy. The printer looks professional and promises high-quality prints. The LCD screen on the front is clear and easy to use. It gives the printer a modern touch. Design and build quality. The Anycubic Photon Mono 2 stands out for its solid design and build quality. It's clear that attention to detail was a priority. Let's explore the material, finish, user interface, and controls. Material and finish. The printer's body is constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy. This ensures durability and a premium feel. The sleek matte finish not only looks stylish, but also resists fingerprints and smudges. This means it stays clean with minimal effort. Print quality and precision. The Anycubic Photon Mono 2 is known for its impressive print quality and precision. This section will delve into its resolution capabilities and layer consistency. These aspects are crucial for achieving detailed and accurate 3D prints. Ease of use. The Anycubic Photon Mono 2 stands out for its ease of use. This makes it a great choice for beginners and experienced users alike. Let's dive into its user-friendly features. Performance and speed. The Anycubic Photon Mono 2 is a 3D printer that has garnered attention for its performance and speed. This printer aims to deliver high-quality prints in a short amount of time, making it ideal for hobbyists and professionals alike. Let's dive deeper into its capabilities. Print speed. The Anycubic Photon Mono 2 stands out with its impressive print speed. With a monochrome LCD screen, it significantly reduces curing time for each layer. This means you can complete prints faster compared to other models with RGB screens. For those needing quick turnaround times, this printer is a solid choice. Anycubic Photon Mono 2 pros and cons. Pros: high print quality, excellent resolution for detailed prints. Fast printing, monochrome LCD for quicker curing times. Sleek design, modern and attractive appearance. Cons: not explicitly mentioned in the provided text. However, potential cons for any resin 3D printer could include: post-processing, requires cleaning and curing after printing. Frequently asked questions. What is the print quality of Anycubic Photon Mono 2? The Anycubic Photon Mono 2 offers excellent print quality. It features a high-resolution monochrome LCD. This ensures detailed and precise prints. Users appreciate its sharp and clear results. How fast is Anycubic Photon Mono 2? The Photon Mono 2 prints quickly. It has a fast curing time per layer. This reduces overall print time significantly. It's ideal for users who need rapid prototyping. Let me know if you want it formatted into a PDF or thumbnail summary.